let's get into what we've technically already launched, and that is our AI invoice passer. So if you did not attend our in-person Engage events, then yes, you have missed it. But the good news is we're going to rehash it today so that you won't miss out. This is really exciting because if you have the privilege of managing on behalf of your landlord that municipal or body corporate account, then you know that this task is definitely repetitive. It's something that you have to do every month, and it takes time. So it takes up time that you could be spending on more valuable things. So the functionality was developed so that you can get the efficiencies in your hand that will remove that burden from your life. It is aimed to make your life simpler. Right, so how does it work? It is really simple. Technically, the setup for your AI invoice parser only needs to be completed once. It is only once off. So you're going to do it once and then never again. Forever going forward, your setup is completed. So then once your setup is complete, it gets really simple because forevermore, when you receive that mail with your municipal invoice, you're now only going to forward that mail to the AI invoice parser. It will then go and analyze the data within that document, and it will then, in the solution, go and populate your billing rules for you. So on the billing schedule, you will see those items because they are identified with that AI icon that you know by now. So if you click on that, it will even show you the calculations that it has made. Because in the beginning, you might not trust it, but it is very accurate. It actually prevents errors. But you can check the calculations, but that's not all. It will also upload that source document for you so that you don't have to do that. So it is really a great efficiency. It is so easy to do. And once it's set up, it just runs, right? So what does it mean for you? It
Alida,
means, yes, Skulk.
how did you do this while I was in the front of the office and you were sitting more towards the back of the office where you always wanted the quiet
Sure.
place? How did you do the copy and paste and going through different? I know we couldn't give you a second screen at
Yeah.
that time. You only had one laptop. So how did you do
Yes.
this?
So, Skulk, in reality, what happened is you had an Excel list with all your municipal accounts listed on it. You had the dates for when you receive all of those because they differ. So you had to maintain that list so that every month you had to know, firstly, what did I receive and what haven't I received? Because you needed some controls, right? Then, when you receive those accounts, you have to manually calculate the charges, manually create those invoices. And then it didn't stop there. Then you still had to go and send an email outside of wherever we were managing to the tenant so that he can get a copy. So it was if I say labor intensive, I really mean it. It was definitely one of the tasks that nobody was excited about, but it had to be done. But it is task heavy for sure. So
Now I
this for
know
me is a
why.
game
Now,
changer.
now I know why you said to me, Scott, my office door is closed and you do not disturb me until the second of the month. Is that not the reason why you've closed the door?
Most
Good.
definitely,
Happy?
that is the
Good.
reason.
Happy?
It was a lot
Happy.
of work, not gonna lie. Okay,
Great
so it's
news.
great news, right? So, for our clients, we want to show you the list of municipalities that we are already providing coverage for. As you can see, it is a long list. It covers all of the major municipalities, but we've also added, based on client request, a lot of the smaller local municipalities that there is also requirement for. And the list will not stop there. As our clients onboard onto the AI billing parser, you send us your request, we will guide you through what we need for it, and then we can set up those additional municipalities that you need to interact with. So it is sort of that AI feature that will keep on expanding to make sure that we provide the coverage that our client needs. So if you see something on the list there that you say, I need this, and you've got the coverage, then please do get in contact with us. We would love to set you up.
Sh-
But there's more great news.
Alida, wait, wait,
Yes,
wait.
Schalk.
Um, what about those where they are password protected? Do we solve that as well?
So luckily with municipal accounts, Skalk, there's not really currently functionality where I know of a municipality where they password protect. However, great news coming soon. We're working on it. It's made a lot of progress, but soon you will be able to also do this for your We Connect You levy invoices. Even those pesky ones with the password protection, Skalk, even that will be possible. So we are adding to this efficiency every day to make sure that we create the automations that our clients need so that they can have that valuable time to communicate with the landlords. You mentioned earlier, you don't have time currently. So in providing these efficiencies, we try and create that space for you. And then with this level up journey, we want to equip you to actually be able to have those conversations. So everything works together in our world, trying to make our clients more valuable.
Wow.